I'm playing with Papucho.
So what happened is they said that the
Mike, what's the score?
Breathe and shit. They bullshit.
You drunk?
Everyone got sick. The firemen, they all died. You know, everyone's dying. Who's got lung problems? And I got lung problems. Yeah, they did a major surgery.
Oh, yeah. That's what.
But you know what? Back then, right, they had to do it this way. Today, they make 3 or 4 little holes, and they go in there with these tools and everything. Do all that shit that they did here.
Don't believe all that shit, okay? Because I'll let you know when it comes to back surgery. Okay, and okay, it's not just about little holes. Abuse of the body. It's sometimes that you wind up going through some things that you wind up believing in. Sometimes you get tired of, as I said, having a toothache in those places. If you ever had a toothache that it turned around and get you out of your wife, okay, and just sit back and want to smack in the back of your head. So eventually you gotta get rid of some shit. And I had these toothaches that I had in my neck and in my lower back for over 30 plus years. Okay. I finally got my first set of surgeries when I was 48. 48, 49, and 59.
25.
Okay. 48, 49, 50. Okay. And I was out here in a back brace, a neck brace.
No, I'm here to scout you guys.
That's why everybody out here with that, they'll sit back and be like, I love him when he's fucking retarded. Okay? I don't know anybody else who would be out here on roller skates. I roller skate. I have handball tournaments, and I have a big one that's coming up tomorrow. It's a $10,000 tournament, and highest $10,000. Okay, and I might go out there just to sit back and bring back nostalgia. Recognize to Coney Island. They sit back and be like, holy shit! I have people that came from my squad.
They've been there for years.
Okay, but when's the last time you started reliving your childhood? When's the last? Okay, you had some ice cream, you had Mr. Soft. The last time you played skeleton? Last time you played stickball? Okay, now when you went to the last, where was the last music party? Shit, you was right by.
They've redone it.
I haven't been there in years.
They just redone it.
They really did.
I went out there with my boat.
My friend just gave me another pole and went out with like a 40-pound test.
Yeah.
Just sit back and just go through it.
You
Just
don't need that heavy test.
no, I understand that. I know.
Off with the lighter test.
I have a couple of different poles, and the whole thing that makes me really happy about him.
You ever go out on that boat
in Flushing? Yes.
He's pretty good.
Yeah, I go out there and he introduced me. That was one of the things that was so beautiful is that when I met him, I met this guy on the handball court. Okay, and then I introduced him to fishing one day with him and his son because he said he had been fishing with his son before. Okay, so he just sat back and he just went for a little bullshit pole, you know, just to sit back and give his son experience. You know, we caught a little porgy like this. Okay. Now, because we went to Rockaway. Now, listen. The only thing that he wanted to do was just have the experience of that and just show, you know, take his son out to see what would happen. Okay.
What's your score?
Okay, I'll say this was 6 years ago. Okay. After the 6 years, and I turn around, and now he has a boat and he has more fishing equipment that you can find inside of your basic fishing store. Okay, his tackle box is filled with everything, and he's tying knots without like a professional. And generally, when we go out, whether he's out of Flushing or we go out on his own boat that he purchased, and I'm looking at him like, all this is happening with that because I took you out one time. Nothing like that. Took me out when I was fishing, grabbing. Sheepshead Bay, Montauk Point. Okay. I used to go into Oyster Bay. Yeah.
I go with my jet skis over there.
Like I said,
I was going there today.
Those are things that I used to do when I was a kid, and I haven't done it like that. And like I said, for me to sit back and introduce him to fishing, and for him to have now 15 fishing poles, a full tackle box, and tell you which each lure is for, you know, and tell you, you know, to me, right there, you know how you say I had a teacher when I teaching the student, and now the student becomes a teacher? The proud feeling is it's like you taught your son, and now your son surpassed you, or whatever the case may be. I'll never forget that feeling. You know, so that right there is great to me.
Me and my father, he was 74 years old. Wow! Me and him went out. I'm making money. City field. Yeah. Across the street. Put him in. Yeah. We went all the way to Tappan's Ditch. You know, all the way out the west. We went up the East River, all the way to the end. There's a drawbridge up there that turns.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, there is.
200 and something street up there.
Yes, like
there's a rock with a big C up there for the college, right? All the way up. That's Harlem, Spanish Harlem.
That's even Spanish. That's further than Spanish Harlem, because you're on that side of that. That's
215th, I think.
Yeah, that's between 250 and 221st and whatnot. That's
up there. But anyway, you cut into the west.
Columbia University.
Yeah, right. And then from there you go all the way up to the Tappan's Ditch. So we ate at a restaurant up there, right? So we had a couple of beers. We come back. So now we saw these guys. He was waiting. He had two jet skis. He was waiting for his friend. Finally, he came, but we were coming back already. My father always had a cigar. Right? So the guy, I started to talk. He goes, "Oh, your friend came up. You know, you brought up for your friend." So he goes, "Yeah."
I blame you money.
So all of a sudden, he goes, "Listen, I was like, yeah." He's like, "What age is he?" I said 74. And he was on a jet ski. Right? I was like, "Yeah." And he goes, "Listen, another thing. Why does he keep that cigar lit on the jet ski?" You know? So my father, I call him over, right? Because he was just on the surface. So he comes over and says, "Dad, this guy wants to ask you a question." "Yeah, what is it, sonny?" So he goes, "Let me ask you something. How do you keep that cigar lit?" So my father puts it in his mouth, starts drawing on it, and it fucking was still lit. He was like, "Man, you're the best."
It's just fire, baby. It's fire. That's what they can go through that. That's how it is.
Those are good old times.
My whole thing is, okay,
You're here today, gone
you're here today, going tomorrow. I know you have grandkids or whatever you do, okay, but every so often, I just feel if you want to spark this in your wife, you can sit there, go do something silly, get you a coffee and bucket right now. And take this big, I take that big. Okay, I found out that they love
My
that
wife
show.
comes with me on a jet ski still.
When I do sweet things, when I go back into the park, put you on the sleeve, let her push you on the sleeve. Take that walk.
We go boating.
I'm jealous. I
We're
miss.
going up the next week to Lake George. You know Lake George?
Yes.
All the way upstate.
You're going camping. You're having a great time and whatnot. Okay, yes, I am going to say I'm jealous of you. Okay, I am going to say that.
Yes, I live day by day. You're here today.
My name's Talisman. I
Jack.
didn't need to come.
Jack, what's here?
Talisman, David. I love you to death. If you're not, you'll listen.
I'm going to be back here.
Make sure you come through and come through, have some fun and enjoy it. When maybe we can sit back and have a beverage or whatever, you know, any given time. I see. Definitely. Damn, man. Give it to me. Miraculously shot because that was the only shot that he was. That was fantastic. Work it out. Let's go. Okay. Don't play with your phone. Eat.
3-2. Yeah. Yeah, baby. 4-2. Go, baby. Try and make a tie. Go.
Let's hit that shit, man.
Thank you.
That's supposed to be the end of the volley right there. 5.
Thank you. Forward.
Hold on. Take two. No, what? No, take two. Don't do that.
He's not a killer.